About halfway down in just a second. Well, it's the second morning of Kentucky turkey season. We're on our way to a different farm that we hunted yesterday morning. The farm we hunted yesterday morning, we called in 3 or 4 toms. But between the hens taking them away and Jake's running around chasing them all over the place, we can't make anything happen with them. But the farm we're headed to this morning, the owner hunted it yesterday morning, and he said that he had probably a couple birds down in the bottom gobbling. So that's where we're going to go set up this morning. He didn't end up killing one yesterday morning, but he told us we got there. He didn't care a bit. So we're going to go out there and try it, see what happens. Hopefully it's better than yesterday morning. It's about 60 degrees. It's been raining for the last 3 or 4 hours. So hopefully them birds will be out there in the field trying to dry off, stroll a little bit. Maybe they'll gobble. Might not gobble. I don't know. We're going to find out. Well, we got to the first farm that we was going to go to this morning, and I don't know if somebody was there hunting already or what, but he didn't tell us that somebody's supposed to be there, and there was somebody there, so we came back up here. We hunted yesterday, and there's already a couple birds out here in the field, so I guess we're going to try to use these little ditches and drains and stuff, try to get around to them. I don't know if we'll find out what happens, or see what happens. We ain't going to find out what happens. Well, I guess we will find out what happens, but we're going to go down here and let her shoot. Hopefully she don't miss one. She's been known to miss a few, so I don't know. Well, we are back down here where we started at this morning. It's I don't know, it's like 12:30 now. We went up to the other farm we hunted yesterday morning. We seen one hen, heard a few birds gobble, but we didn't have nothing, so we went and got lunch. And we're back here where we started at this morning, where we was gonna go. Looks like it's gonna rain back here behind us, but I hope it don't. So I guess we're gonna drop down this bottom and see if we can't find one of these birds that's been out here that the landowner's been seeing. Hopefully Cameron will get one today. It's been a long time coming, so we gotta do something about it. You ready?
I gotta get clothes on.
Why ain't you already got clothes on? Real turkey hunter. You ain't got your clothes on yet. She'll learn one day, I guess. Hopefully it'll get there. Well, we made it down in here in the bottom where we wanted to come to. We stopped about halfway down just a second ago because it started raining. I didn't want to get the camera wet. So we stand under some cedar trees. Well, when we started to walk, there was 2 big toms in another little field that's kind of off this big one here. They seen us, but I don't think they really buggered too bad. We got in the woods and eased down around them and got down hopefully below them. So hopefully we'll be able to call them in down through here. So like I said, I don't think we spooked them too bad. They didn't putt. They just turned around and walked off real slowly. But hopefully they'll come back down through here. We'll maybe pull a double. There's a ton of turkey tracks on this road that we was walking on the way in here, so I know there's a bunch of turkeys in here. I'm sure they're roosted pretty close, so hopefully before dark something will happen. What do you think about it? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready to kill my first one.
Hopefully make something happen. It's a pretty good little setup we got. You can see we got the decoy sitting out that they can see them from a long ways away, so hopefully they come out in this field to draw off. Because the sun's supposed to pop out in a minute too, so hopefully they come out in this field, draw off, they'll come over here and try to beat up on this Jake decoy. I tried to show y'all, but I got my lock on my lens. So, hang on. He's gonna come all the way to decoys. He's gonna come up towards the Jake. Well, you just make sure when he comes up, you stay on his head. If he puts his head up, you can shoot him. Don't shoot the decoy though. See how? Kill him. Freaking smooth.
Wait, Tom, sit down for a minute. Take that to whoever says I miss.
What do you think about that?
Look at the feathers. Oh my gosh.
Look at them freaking hooks.
He's still. I don't want to touch him while he's moving. Oh. Do you have?
Well, finally, it only took 4 years, but she
3 or 4.
finally rolled him. We was just talking about leaving because I was not falling asleep and
Falling asleep, dead asleep.
yeah. So she said, let's just get up and pack up and ease out. And I looked out back over here. Well, hang on, right there. And he was coming across the field, and I told her, I said, there's a big Tom. And I purred to him a little bit and yelped to him a little bit. He came up here looking for a fight, and he didn't find one that he liked.
Get so excited. I have nothing to say.
He pick them spurs up. Or just stick them out where you see them.
I can't. Thank you.
Well, I guess we're gonna getting propped up and get some pictures. How you feel about that?
I love it. I'm ready for number 2.
We're gonna have to get her on another one now after that one. I believe that done it for her. She's about done for today. She said that she's done turkey hunting about 10
I'm
minutes
wet.
ago. And now
I'm cold. And I wanted to go home.